guys, I have some. So,
ayaw ko makita yung mukha ko.
she have a frosty purple and me green. Oh my god. That's just my sister. Okay. We're gonna eat some frosty.
Magpakita ka din.
Yeah, I'm here. Okay. We're not twins. We're not twins. No, we're not twins.
Sigma boys.
Okay, do the Sigma boy face. Oh my god. Okay, she like a horse. I gotta eat frosty.
Hindi naman ako makita.
Out. This. Oh.
Sigma boy. Sigma boy.
Oh my god. That's how to open the frosty. And if the takeoff, get in your mouth and put in the trash.
Sa akin malambot na.
Ow, my teeth.
May permateeth siya. May permateeth. May
No.
bungi na siya dito.
Yeah. This my new teeth. Can you see it?
Dalawa siya, dalawa.
Yes, it's two. Dalawa siya. But adwa siya. You can speak Pangpangan? She can speak Pangpangan. We can speak English, Pangpangan, Filipino. That's our country. Our country.
Danom.
Hindi.
Water.
Our country is Philippines, English, and Pampangan. That's our country, you know?
Danom. Water.
Water bottle. This is my water bottle in school. And there's my bag. We are kulot, spaghetti buhok. Because we are called pancit canton buhok because we are called curly hair. My mom is curly hair, look. My mom is curly hair. And my dad is not curly hair. She bakla. No, my dad is not curly hair because she's a boy. Look, my frosty is...
I'm bigger now.
You. Oh no!
Wait.
On you. Who is the oldest child? I'm the oldest child because I'm 6 years old. My name is Isabella, and this is Rafaela, my sister. She's a middle child, and my another sister Nisha, she a youngest child. Nisha is 0 years old, and Rafaela is 5 years old, and me 6 years old. I am 6 years old, and my birthday is February 8th. It's almost there. My birthday, February 8th. Oh my god. My birthday is February 8th, and now it's February 4 now. So I'm so excited in my birthday. I gotta celebrate my birthday. Look mine. Wow! Look, Tito Richard!
Kanina ko pa talaga siya nakakita.
I just tasted. Hi, Tito Richard! Hi, Tito Richard!
Ay, hindi ka pumasok?
Ako pumasok? Ano, may test?
Day lang sila.
Half day. Half day lang kami, guys. And we are half day in school. My daddy! Ah! Ow! Ow! Stop! Rafa, stop.
Let's go in the truck.
Okay.
Nisha and a race.
Let's go in Butchog or Nisha. Shasha. Oh. Look, our baby. Open the lights. This is our baby, Nisha. Hi.
The tummy is so bigger!
Look, she's so cute. See?
Tignan na sa akin ang lambot na.
Wow. So, bye, guys.